This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a strawberry spinach salad. I've never had this before, but Regina, my nurse, told me about it, and she gave me the recipe, and I'm going to fix it and see whether we like it or not. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I have a bowl here, and I've got a big thing of baby spinach back here, and I've just put a layer of spinach in here, and then I've got a container of strawberries that I've got to cut up. And I just wanted to show you this first off while I'm cutting the strawberries, and then I'll put the strawberries in there, and then I'll bring you back and we'll make the dressing for it. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so in the bowl I have 2 layers of spinach and 2 layers of strawberries and a half, you can see the size, the other half of the red onion. So a half of a red onion chopped up. Now I'm going to make the dressing for it. And I have 1/2 cup of white sugar. That's going in. And then I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Alright. Whoops. Well, alright, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. That's going in the bowl. I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of oil, and I'm just using regular olive oil, not the extra virgin, just the regular. 1/4 cup of oil. Alright. Well, alright, that's in here. Alright, and then I have poppy seeds that I've never opened. This is the first time I've ever used poppy seeds, so I'm kind of excited. I've had poppy seeds on rolls before or whatever, but I've never really used them. So, alright, so I'm going to get it's 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and this measuring spoon I have is 1/2 tablespoon, so I use 2 of these. So it's 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Well, go back on there, Ned. Alright. And then 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and I've just got Spice Island sesame seeds. And these haven't been opened either. Alright. There's 1/2, and there's a whole tablespoon. Alright. And then I need a little bit of pepper. I'm not going to put very much in there. The recipe says a dash, so I'm just going to get some out with the, you can see right there, not even a, alright, and then I need a teaspoon, but I'm going to use 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Alright. Then I'm going to mix all this up. Until the sugar is, I'm just going to keep on stirring it. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a while, and I'll bring you right back. I'm going to get this mess up, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I know y'all can hear Journey's swing over there. She's swinging, and there's a little mirror, like a mirror ball, and she sits there and she is so content with that, just watching that, and the music is on or whatever. So alright, so I've got the spinach, the strawberries, and the onions in here. And Kayla said, Mom, you're putting onions in with strawberries? I don't know. I'm just gonna taste it. Regina just swears by this, so I'm gonna taste it and see. So I've got, here's the dressing. So I'm gonna pour this all over here. And the sugar did, for the most part, the sugar did combine in with it. Alright. Alright, now I've got my tongs here, and I'm just gonna mix it up. I know this is going to wilt really fast, but I kind of want it to do that. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. I love vinegar. My daughter got sunburnt. My oldest daughter, Kim, got sunburnt the other day, and I said, Kim, put some vinegar on it. And she said, Mama, do you want me to get sick? Because she doesn't like vinegar. But I do. Alright, now I'm going to get out just a little bit because this is for dinner. But bless you. Caden's sitting at the table with me. Alright, so I'm going to get me a little bit of this on a plate just to taste it. And see what it tastes like. Of course, I want to get a couple strawberries. Alright. Alright, let me turn you around here so you can see. And let's see what it tastes like. Oh gosh. Kayla, you're gonna love this. This is really good.
Hey, Grandma.
Y'all are going to love this. You want to taste it?
Okay.
It's got vinegar in it. Do you like it? Pretty good, isn't it?
Grandma, do you know what?
Alright, Grandma's making a video now. We'll talk later, okay? Alright, I really like this. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to different things that you can purchase through Amazon. And I will talk to you later. You have a good night. Bye.